Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to do a quick DIY for you if this is the first time to my channel. Thank you for choosing to watch the video and for joining us today. I hope that you will like this video and decide to give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and consider becoming a part of our family. I'd love for you to become one of our subscribers. Okay, this DIY is going to be pretty easy. What you'll need for this project is a piece of cardboard. This cardboard actually came from Sam's Club. So you will need a cardboard, and basically this measurement is just from my charger. I use a charger for my measurement. Then you will need a mirror, and the mirror is from Joann's. And you will also need a mirror from the Dollar Tree. I loved it because of the detail that's on it, so I thought that was pretty cool. So you'll need one of those. You will also need one of the actually I'm thinking we'll need 3 of the Dollar Tree beads. I'm not quite sure how much it will take yet because I have not made this. Just came to me as I was walking through the Dollar Tree. You will also need some diamond wrap, and I went ahead and cut my diamond wrap out already. And you will need a scissors, which came from the Dollar Tree. I think it's adorable. You'll need a pen for your measurement to draw out your cardboard. Your glue gun and glue sticks, which I have lots of glue sticks. So you will definitely need that. Let's grab it while I'm thinking of it. And let's get started. I am not going to spray paint because I believe that the beads should cover this really well. First thing I want to do is lay glue down, a generous amount of glue, onto my mirror. Fine. I already drew a circle for my mirror where I wanted it to go. So basically just lay it right there on the drawing that you have. Press down so that it can seal. It lays flat evenly. And yes, there will be fingerprints, but it's no big deal. We'll clean that up. Actually, while I'm thinking of it, let me grab some cleaning supplies. Okay guys, so I just have some rubbing alcohol and a paper towel. And just go ahead and wipe it down, even though your finger will get on there again, I'm sure. Okay, then I want to take my mirror from the Dollar Tree and just decide where you want that to go. I'm going to add a generous amount of glue onto the back. See if that's straight. It's fairly straight. Okay. Now, I think it's good. Let's see. It's good. So now I want to go ahead and get my beads. I have some here already that I've separated. I'm going to start, lay your glue down, and then your beads. Go in sections, guys, just to secure. Make sure it's straight. And your just basically pushing it up against the mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out, and now I want to go ahead and add some diamond wrap just to have some bling on here. So let's get started on that and see how it turned out. We're going to lay a little bit of glue onto the side, and actually I'm thinking I'm going to use 2 strips. So let's just go ahead and lay my glue down here. Okay guys, so now I'm going to take my glue all the way around. Well, in portions, not all at one time, because you want to make sure you're going straight. So it's just better to go a little at a time. Okay, just like that guys, and I'm going to take it all the way around and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I finished with the diamond wrap, and I decided that I wanted to add some gems just to add some glitter and glam to this decor. So I'm using the Walmart small gems just to outline this frame. Now it will take a little time to get done, but it's not hard, it's not complicated, it's just tedious taking time to add these small gems, and it comes with the adhesive on the back, so that's pretty nice as well. So you just have to find where you want it and just lay it down. And you can pull them apart as well. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So you just find where you want them to go and lay your adhesive, your sticker there. Make sure they're straight, and then add the rest. I'm going to go ahead, finish this up, show you what it looks like, and get it on the wall. Guys, this is how it turned out. I really love the way it looks. I hope you do too. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends, and if you're not a subscriber, I hope that you'll decide to become a subscriber. Guys, I truly appreciate your time, your comments, and I hope you will leave me a message, and I will talk to you on my next DIY.